How are you today? I hope you are happy and healthy. Today, we are going to be using our Smart English Level 3 book today. And since we have finished Units 7 and 8, that means that we are going to be doing a jump up lesson. So you can see on the screen here, it is Jump Up 4 that we will be looking at today. So you can open your books to page 54. But before we start looking at the comic on page 54 and 55, let's do a quick review because we're going to play a short game just to get us ready for class. So, Units 7 and 8 were about clothes, right? So let's review our vocabulary from those two units very, very quickly. So take a look at the flashcard. What is it? It's a t-shirt. What is it? It's a skirt. What is it? They're shorts. What is it? Or what are they? They're sandals. What are they? They're jeans. What is it? It's a cap. What is it? It's not a cap, it's a wool hat. Very good. So, we have reviewed our vocabulary words, and we are going to play a game now, a competition game. This is called Battle Rock, Paper, Scissors. So, I have 12 vocabulary words here, right? And I want you to get into two teams. I am going to put these in a line, 1, 2, 3, 4, just like that. I will put them on the ground so everybody has space. I would like one team at one end of the line and the other team at the other end, facing each other. Now, the first person in each team is going to look at the different flashcards. They're going to look at the flashcard. They're going to touch the flashcard and say what it is in a sentence. So what are they? They're jeans. Or what is it? It's a cap. So you will say a sentence while touching the card. Then, after you say the sentence, you will move on to the next one. You will be walking towards each other. Now, when the players from each team meet at the same card, you will play rock, paper, scissors. And the winner will continue moving forward after they say the sentence. The loser will go back to their team, and the next person in line will start at the beginning. So, the first team to make it all the way to the end of the line will win the game. All right, are you ready to play? Okay, let's have everybody stand up and get into two groups. Okay, great job, everyone. Now, it was very, very important that we practice those vocabulary words because we need to know about clothes, right? Take a look at the comic. What do you see? I see 4 cats, right? But some of the cats are wearing clothes. Do you see any clothes on the cats? What do you see? Yeah, I see a hat. Or sorry, is that a hat? It's a wool hat. Very good. And this? It's a scarf. And what about this? It's a sweater. Very good. So we see the cats are wearing some clothing. Now, are they wearing cool clothing or warm clothing? Yeah, they're wearing warm clothing. Why are they wearing warm clothing? It's because it's snowing. So when it's snowing, it's cold. So the cats are wearing warm clothes to stay warm. All right. Let's listen to this, the story in this comic. So I want you to listen. I'm going to play the audio 2 times. The first time, I want you to listen to the story and point to the pictures that you see, okay? So point to the picture as it is being read or spoken in the audio. So that's the first time. So just listen and point. The second time, I want you to listen, then repeat the line. So listen, and when it says, "We're going to Frank's house," you will say, "We're going to Frank's house." So listen, then repeat. Now the first time, you're going to listen and point. The second time, you are going to listen and repeat. Are you ready? Okay. All right, everyone. I hope you enjoyed listening to the comic. Now, we're going to do a short exercise together. So you see at the top of the page here, we have some important sentences to look at. So let's read these together with our reading fingers. So let's point to number 1 and read it together. Everybody repeat after me. Where is Frank's house? Very good. Number 2. Where are we going, Tabby? And number 3. Can I come? Excellent. All right. So these 3 sentences match some of the sentences that are missing in the comic on page 54. So we have 1, 2, 3 speech bubbles that need proper sentences. So what we will do is we will listen to the audio one more time, and I want you to write the correct number for each of these speech bubbles, okay? So let's listen and write our answers.
Listen and read. Then write the number. Cattails. Cats in clothes.
Oh, where are we going, Tabby?
We're going to Frank's house. Can I come? Sure you can.
Where is Frank's house?
This way.
Oh, is he wearing clothes?
Okay, so we've listened to the first part of the comic. Now, please write your answers for which sentences go here where there is a missing sentence. So, let's look at number 1, this first bubble here. So, we can see that it says, we're going to Frank's house. What should go here? What should go here? Is it a question or a sentence? It's a question. So we can choose the correct sentence here. So what goes here? Let's listen.
Where are we going, Tabby?
All right, so we hear the answer. Where are we going, Tabby? So what number goes here? Number 2. Very good. So you can write the answers in as we go through. All right, everyone, great job. Let's take a break from writing in our books and let's watch the animation that goes along with this story, with this comic. I want you to pay close attention because we are going to act out this comic together. All right, so I'll play it 2 times. I'll play it 2 times. The first time we'll play it with the sound so you can listen and follow along. Then the second time, I will play it with no sound, and I will ask everybody to read the lines as they come up on screen. So we'll watch 2 times. Are you ready?
Jump up 4. Cattails, cats in clothes.
Where are we going, Tabby?
We're going to Frank's house. Can I come? Sure you can.
Where is Frank's house?
This way.
Oh, is he wearing clothes?
Okay, very good, everyone. So we've watched the animation a couple of times now, and what we're going to do is we're going to get into groups. So quickly, let's review. How many characters are there in the comic? There are 4 characters. We have Jasper, Tabby, Butter, and Frank. So we're going to make groups of 4. In each group, 1 student will be one of the characters. So 1 Jasper, 1 Frank, 1 Tabby, 1 Butter. Okay? You are going to practice the lines from the animation for your character only. So practice with each other, and then I will ask a group who wants to perform to come up and perform. So you'll act out the animation. All right, so let's get into groups so that we can practice. I'll give you about 5 minutes to practice with each other, and then we'll watch some volunteers. Are you ready? Great. All right, everyone. Now let's look at the top of page 55 here. Now we have 4 sentences that are not complete. So let's read the sentences together with our reading fingers. So let's look at number 1. I'm wearing my new blank. Number 2. Can I try on your blank? Number 3 is the same one. Can I try on your blank? And number 4 is the same as well. Now, you are going to complete these sentences by matching them to the words over here. So let's read our words together. Number 1, wool hat. Winter clothes. Scarf. Sweater. So with these words here, we're going to use those to match or to complete the sentences. Now, very important, you have a clue with each sentence. So each sentence is said by a different cat from the animation. So find out, what does Frank say? I'm wearing my new blank. Is it wool hat, winter clothes, scarf, or sweater? If you remember, you can match it on your own. But if you're having trouble, you can look at the comic and find the answer if you can. So, what is the way to complete this sentence? I'm wearing my new, that's right, winter clothes. I'm wearing my new winter clothes. So we draw a line to winter clothes. Okay, now let's have you do 2, 3, and 4 on your own, and then we will check the answers together. All right, everyone. Great job. We are just about done. So we're going to do a short wrap-up activity before we say goodbye for the day. So what we are going to do is we're going to get into groups or pairs. And you are going to draw your partner. So draw your partner. But I want you to draw the clothes that they are wearing. So here is my partner. This is Sam. Now, what do you see? What clothes do you see Sam wearing? I see a t-shirt. So Sam is wearing a t-shirt. Sam is also wearing a cap. And what are these? Sam is wearing shorts. And finally, down here, Sam is wearing boots. So, draw your partner and the clothes that they are wearing. And then I want you to write a sentence. So write some sentences. So for example, write, Sam is wearing a cap, or Sam wears a cap. Sam is wearing a t-shirt, something like that. So draw the picture, write some sentences, and then I will ask for volunteers at the end. So I will give you paper and colored pencils, and you can sit so that you are looking at your partner. All right, let's begin. Okay, great job, everyone. Now, before we go, we need to talk about our homework. So let's look at our workbook. Your homework today is going to be pages 54 and 55 in your workbook. So please complete pages 54 and 55, and we will check your work when we meet in our next class. Until then, I will see you later. Bye-bye.